Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is February 27th, and this is your aftermarket update. So I had a losing day here today, and I want to talk to you a little bit about that. But it's also interesting to note that just because it was a losing day for me does not mean it was a losing day for everyone in our trading room. I'm going to explain a little bit about what I mean in just a moment. But first of all, let's just take a look here at what the numbers look like today. I was down about 17 ticks per contract. Okay, so you can see here that their total gain loss was 17 ticks. What I want to draw your attention to here is I want you to look at the number of scratch trades today, the number of break-even trades that I had today. That is an important number today because I did get into a couple of trades that went 17, 18 ticks apiece. Came back, it took me out right around break-even or break-even plus one on one of those trades. I had two losing trades, and that accounted for my losses. And then I had that small winning trade actually here that brings that largest gain up to $20. That was a one-tick winner. And so when I say it wasn't necessarily a losing day for everyone in the trading room, I had two trades today that went pretty nice number of ticks. And what we were looking for is for the market to go to one of our targets, right? And you can also see, typically in my statistics, you'll see that my losing average hold time for winning trades is usually this number down here at 34 minutes. Today was 16 minutes, and I say it's usually 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 or 4-to-1 over the losing trade. The average losing trades were 16 minutes. The winning trade was 16 minutes, and my scratch trades or break-even trades were 34 minutes. That's because the market just had no energy or follow-through in the direction that we were looking for it to take today. In fact, if you were to take a step back here and let's just look at the entire range of the market today, it was 67 ticks. That is incredibly small for the CL. In fact, we've had a number of small range days over the past couple of weeks, and we were at 100 ticks as the 10-day average. So we were about 30 ticks, a little over 30 ticks short of our average 10-day range of 100 ticks. 20-day range is 110 ticks. So again, a very narrow range here today. And what makes it even more difficult is that the range was even smaller after the open. If you draw this down to here at the close, you'll see that that's 63 ticks low to high. And it really took the entire session today from the open at 8 o'clock down to 1:30. It finally gave you that 63 ticks. Most of the energy today was spent in this range here of about 50 ticks, right? So really, there was only 50 ticks for most of the trading session today, and that really makes for difficult trading conditions, and I ended up having a difficult day as a result of that. So it is my third losing trading day of the month. I'm going to drag this over in front of you here. I don't have a trade. I was hit but no fill. You probably remember the video. I was hit but no fill on a really big winning trade on this day. This was Friday's trading session. We didn't actually have a trade on Friday, and then Monday was a holiday. So if you factor in this day here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We hadn't lost, had a losing trading day in eight trading days. So again, that is kind of what the month looks like. I've had 4 losing days this month. But most of all, we just had a really choppy to sideways trading conditions today. 50 ticks low to high, and most of that was spent in this range for the balance of the day. So again, that's what a losing trade looks like for me on most days. We just had a really difficult time getting the market to move in our favor, and on what otherwise was a really choppy day today. So we'll get back after it tomorrow. Again, those things happen when you have these really narrow ranges like this. This is a highly unusual thing for crude. When you get these really narrow ranges like this, it does make for difficult conditions. Friday, just as a frame of reference, go back to Friday here. Let's see, this is Friday. The total range on Friday was 75 ticks, so we actually didn't even take a trade on Friday. So probably would have been better served not doing that today. But we had a couple of ideas that we thought were going to work out. And actually, it did work out. Like I said, it worked out on 2 of the trades, when at least 17, 18 ticks before it fell back. It took me out at break even. And of course, our strategy in here is to let these things run to targets. And that's how we have our bigger picture long-term success. Today, it did not quite work out for us, but we will be back at it again tomorrow. So again, as always, I want to say thank you for watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And until next time, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.